Hello everyone, this is Learn English with Zeba. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Today we are going to talk about Whaddaya. What does it mean? इसका क्या मतलब होता है? Whaddaya is made of three words. Three words से मिलकर बना है What do you and what are you. Both change to Whaddaya at natural speed. These two phrases sound exactly same when we connect them. जब इनको हम जोड़ते हैं so how do we know if we're hearing what do you or what are you? We listen for the verb. If it's what are you, we should verb plus ing. Ending. Example, if I say at a natural speed, what are you doing? Can you hear? Doing मतलब to और ing की फॉर्म लग रही है इसके अंदर वर्ब में ना, तो दिस मीन what are you doing because the verb has an ing ending. If we have Whaddaya and we will have no ending, no ing. Example, what do you want? Okay, we have want with no ing. So Whaddaya means what do you want? What do you want? What do you wanna? So if the subject isn't you, then Whaddaya. Whaddaya means only what do or what are. Example, what are they need? The subject is they. So what does it mean? What do or what are. The verb does not have an ing. ing नहीं है इसके अंदर ना. So it mean what do they need. What are they need? What are they need? Not ing वाली form.
What you doing?
So I hope you get my points. If you need more info, comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel.